When someone insults you, criticizes your work, or disrespects you, your first reaction is usually anger or the urge to fight back. But Stoicism teaches you how to become untouchable so that no words or actions can shake you. Anger is destructive and gives power to the person who provokes you. So the Stoics like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus taught that real strength comes from controlling your emotions. The first step is to change how you see insults, because they only hurt when you let them. Most of the time, negative comments show more about the other person than about you. So remind yourself that their problems are not yours. The second step is to focus only on what you can control, like your reaction, and ignore what you cannot control, such as someone else's opinions or behavior. When you learn to let go of things outside your control, you protect your peace. Stoics believe in preparing your mind for the worst so negativity loses its power, and they practice this through visualization. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself each morning that he would meet rude or selfish people, but he would not let them disturb his peace. And you can do the same by taking a few seconds each day to expect negativity, without letting it control you. Another Stoic habit is responding with indifference, because nothing frustrates an angry person more than someone who stays calm. When you refuse to react, their power disappears, just like a fire dying without oxygen. So the next time someone provokes you, simply stay calm and walk away. To stay emotionally strong, you must practice daily discipline. Meditation, journaling, and self-reflection all help you understand yourself better. And the more self-aware you are, the harder it is for others to control your emotions. Each night, write down moments where you felt angry and think about how you can respond better next time. Soon, you will notice real growth. The real secret to never getting angry is learning to control how you see things. Focus on what you can change, and train your mind to stay steady, because no one has power over you unless you allow it. For the next 7 days, stay completely calm whenever someone tries to provoke you, and watch how much more in control you feel.